G'day guys, so today's a very special day for me. Today marks exactly 5 years since I went to my first Rubik's Cube competition in 2019. This was the Brilliant Ballarat 2019 competition and it was about 2 hours away from where I live. February 16th, 2019, my first ever Rubik's Cubing competition, and I have one video from that competition that was filmed of me that I still have today. Now I'll show some more old videos in a sec, not from that competition but from other ones which are pretty funny. But I'd also like to mention, not necessarily today, but this year marks 5 years of my YouTube channel, which is pretty crazy that I'm still going. And I thought it was time for a refresh. So if you haven't noticed, I've changed my logo. It looks pretty similar and I didn't want to change it too much because I still wanted to keep that branding and I didn't want people to think it was a different channel. But I sort of simplified it a bit. There was a reason why I changed this from the old one. A thing that I didn't like about my old logo was the little banner, the little part behind the cube just here. It looks kind of cool in the colored option. But if I wanted to make this a single tone thing or a sticker or merch or something like that, it doesn't look as good because it has to be sort of cut between the edges. So I wanted to make a more minimalistic design that still represents my brand, you know, noble cubes, obviously, but something that could be completely flat and work on any color scheme, which as a designer, this is one of the biggest principles in design, especially for logos. So yeah, I hope you like the logo. You'll be seeing more of it, but here's some videos of some of my older competitions that I really thought I was really fast at that time. So enjoy a few embarrassing solves from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 years ago, and my progression to where I am today.
Can we get one more judge over here, please? Yeah, that's a damn Wait, that's